Here's Gabawan, 2-on-1, nice feed. Dante Baguio was fouled. Ooh. The referees will review this.
That was definitely a bad fall for Baguio. A hard foul para dito sa Bulacan.
Now, Seacos did display good sportsmanship. Hindi na niya pinalala, nagsorry siya kay Dante Baguio.
But we have yet to see the replay on what really transpired in that play. Makikita natin yung intent eh. Sunlight.
Well, the sun is literally on their side. So let's see. Was it a really hard foul? Was it unsportsmanlike?
I don't think so. He went for the ball. Hindi lang niya natamaan hindi lang niya natap yung bola. Eventually going to the face of Baguio. But the intent of challenging Baguio was to just block the shot.
And you did mention it was the fall of Baguio that made it seem worse. Might be the flooring that we've been mentioning na mukhang medyo nadudulas, nag-a-adjust pa yung mga players natin.
Upon review, it's a disqualifying foul on number 13, Ken Osicos, for excessive hard contact. Ken
Final
Osicos
verdict
out of the playing court.
An ejection. Wow. Well, after all, the referees have better eyes than we do.
Yes, of course.
There's the contest. Oh, just so everybody knows, the people are watching it now inside the Olivares College gym. That will be, or those will be the final numbers of Ken Osicos, 3 points and 2 rebounds. He will exit.
Malaking bagay si Osicos sa kanila because yung depensa, yung energy na binibigay niya for Bulacan is, hindi mo makita sa papel, pero very intangible.